Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution, and I bring news of new updates for Aimogen, especially regarding the chatbot. So if you are using Aimogen's chatbot, you're in luck because it got extended thousandfold. So it is now able to do many cool things. You will find in the latest update the extensions tab of Aimogen, which will enable it to create images, to create stable diffusion or dolly images, to create stable diffusion videos, even to scrape Amazon products, to scrape websites, to scrape RSS feeds, to search Google, to get YouTube video captions, to search royalty-free images, to YouTube, to do YouTube video searches, to do email sending, webhook calling, God mode, which is here explained in this tutorial video, Facebook posting, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google My Business, YouTube, Reddit, LinkedIn posting. So all these social plugins, social posting extensions will require a specific plugin for it to work because it requires the libraries from it. But if you install and activate the social plugins like I have here, you will be able to use also the social sharing part of this feature. So let me show you this in action real quick, and I want to show you first, for example, let's use the stable diffusion video to create a video using a royalty-free image. So this should be pretty straightforward. As you might have guessed, you can also combine these extensions. So you get an image and you can use that image to create a video. So let me show you this in action. I enabled these two extensions, so the royalty-free image and stable diffusion video extension, and I enabled the chatbot extensions in the chatbot preview from below to be able for this chatbot to use the extensions, because otherwise extensions are disabled by default for chatbots because it would give them very much power. So if you want to enable this on the chatbot which is embedded on the front end or back end, you can do this. The front end or back end chatbot embedded using the website injection. Or if you want to enable extensions for a custom chatbot, you can do it in the custom chatbot builder and search for extensions, and here it is, enable chatbot extensions. Okay, and afterwards you can use this shortcode to create the chatbot on your site. But now let me go in the chatbot preview and show you. So let's ask the chatbot, show me a cat. So this should not take very long, as here it is, a royalty-free image of a cat is returned. Create a short video using the above image. So let's see what we will get now, as we asked the chatbot that, hey, let's create actually a short video using the above image that you have here, and let's see what results we will get afterwards. So we will have to wait a bit, as the page is currently waiting for the chatbot to return the video which was generated by this image. So this should not take more than a couple tens of seconds until this is processing. Let me check Aimogen and let me show you how it can be. Oh, here it is. So the video is, as it seems, the kitty cat is moving its little head and the camera is also moving around. Yeah, this is not perfect yet, but the AI technology is moving very fast. And now, as you can see, Aimogen is also moving forward with its chatbot. So now let's create some images using Dolly, for example. And I disabled the extensions that I don't need. And I enabled only the Dolly image extension. And show me a cat. And this time, no more royalty-free images will be shown, but instead, AI generated cat will be returned for us. So the cat will be indeed AI generated, and it will be shown to us right now. Okay, so I need to resolve this page unresponsive issue, but I will be focusing on this also. Whoa, this is, yeah, it seems that it's DALL-E 2 and the result is far from perfect. Because of this, I recommend that you switch to DALL-E 3 for each image that you create, as DALL-E 3 has much better results than DALL-E 2. So I switched to DALL-E 3, and let's go ahead and do the same. Show me an image of a cat, and this time DALL-E 3 will be used, which is a much better model, and we should get much better results as created by the chatbot. Okay, so until this is processing, let me go back here and let me show you what other extensions we will be testing today. So we have Amazon product listing. This is scraping Amazon. We will be doing this also, and here it is, a much better looking little princess cat, which is a really great image, is created by DALL-E this time. So DALL-E 3 is recommended for this to be used. Okay, so we get the cat, and let's check, and we can scrape websites, RSS feed, Google data, YouTube video captions. So if you want, you can ask the chatbot that, hey, what is this YouTube video about, and give it the link of the YouTube video, and afterwards the plugin will scrape the captions and feed it into the chatbot, and the chatbot will be able to explain you details about the YouTube video. So you can search YouTube royalty-free images. You can do a YouTube video search. So let me show you this, as this is really cool. So let's ask the chatbot that, hey, show me, so, or otherwise search YouTube for CodeRevolution. And the chatbot will actually do now a YouTube search, and here it is, a very fast YouTube search with a CodeRevolution TV video. So you can also check it, and we can send emails, call webhooks, God mode, which is a feature which is presented in this tutorial video down below here. This is very important so to you to understand what you are doing if you enabled God mode, as this will give the chatbot the power to call any WordPress function. So this is a bit dangerous if you don't know what you are doing. So other extensions are Facebook posting, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, My Business, YouTube, Community, Reddit, and LinkedIn. So let me show you this in action also. So let me bring up my Twitter here, and let's post something here, should we? So let's go to our profile, and here it is. These are the messages sent. So let's enable the Twitter posting. So where it is, it's down here, X, it's called X now, and let's save it. And tell the chatbot that create a Twitter post, and tell the audience that the post was created by Aimogen's chatbot, which is now able to post to Twitter also. Okay, so a real quick message. And after this, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the applause. Let's refresh the Twitter feed. Behold, this tweet was crafted by Aimogen's chatbot and 8 seconds ago. So here it is. It also replied with this message, but it is different from what it posted to Twitter. No problem. Okay, so keep in mind you can post to Twitter, Facebook, and you can select the page here. Keep in mind also that you will need to configure each plugin for auto posting to Twitter, to Facebook, and if you don't want to publish newly posted content that you publish on your site, you can disable auto posting using the plugins here, and this will keep only the functionality for the chatbot of Aimogen. Okay, so you can publish to LinkedIn, to subreddits, and many more features will be available here. Okay, so yeah, this is the current update of Aimogen. As you can see, it got really massive update with the extensions part, as it is now very powerful tool you can use, and you can actually talk to it, and you can generate images, you can create videos. I am thinking of updating it soon and adding many more features, even maybe direct YouTube video uploading. If you create a video using the Stable Diffusion video, you can upload it to YouTube maybe, and many more features might come in the future. Let's see if this will work out. Okay, so if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. They are always welcome, and Aimogen is linked in this video's description. As always, thank you for watching until the end. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.